Hi everyone, so today I wanted to do a little cleaning motivation with you. If this is your first time here, hello, welcome. I'm Raquel. We have just now located down to Miami about a month ago, and so welcome. Do a little cleaning of our new little apartment here. As you see, we have a house guest, so things have been a little bit untidy, so I just wanted to tidy up the place before we get our day started. I wanted to come and say hey. I know I've been a bit MIA since this move, but I have a ton of fun daily over on Instagram, so make sure you guys go and follow me there. I'm always posting a ton of shenanigans of our daily lives, so please follow me. It's a bit difficult with moving and house guests and all that, so that is all I wanted to come and say, and I hope you guys are all doing well. You feel my fire. Here is more examples of the shenanigans I'm speaking about that I post on a daily over on Instagram. Too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. When all the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. You said that I did get a few comments on a few videos ago asking why did we choose this small apartment, but the location and the amenities that it offers here for this short period of time while we transitioned to purchase a home was absolutely phenomenal. So this is one of the reasons. It's carefree. We don't have to worry about lawns and grass and whatever else comes with renting a house out and all that stuff. So it is a bit on the smaller side, but the amenities, the location, the view is worth $1 million.
easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Okay, so this is what I am about to burn here in the apartment. This is my first time trying it. Make sure you cut your wick. Well, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe if you have not. And I will catch you guys very, very soon on the next one. Peace.